Welcome to Lesson 12A, Skins and Themes in Web Forms. Themes are used to give your website a consistent appearance. They do not impact the content, rather they focus on the rendered format of the controls on your website. A theme consists of skins, cascading style sheets, images, and resource files. Each theme must be placed in a subfolder of the app_themes folder. As you know, cascading style sheets are used to format HTML elements. Skins, similarly, are used to format server controls. The name that you select for your skin should be based on the name of the server control to which the skin will be applied. For example, in this lesson, the name of the new skin is button.skin because it will be applied to buttons. To use the theme, you can either apply it to the entire website or to a single page. To apply the blue theme to the entire website, update the system.web section of the web.config file. Once the web.config file has been updated to apply a certain theme, every page in the website will use that theme. In this lesson, you create a theme and apply it to your entire web application. There are no lesson requirements, and the hints for this lesson is to format the server control using the Properties window and then copy the markup to create a new skin. To get started with this lesson, select New Project, ASP.NET Empty Web Application, and enter Lesson 12A for the name of the application. Finally, click the OK button. The first thing you need to do is add a new folder to contain the themes. So select Add ASP.NET Folder, Theme. This adds the app_themes folder. Change the name of your new theme to Blue Theme. Now, create a style sheet by selecting Add New Item, and go ahead and do a search for style sheets. They're kind of hard to find. And name the new style sheet bluetheme.css. Copy that new theme into the Blue Theme folder. All we're going to do for the blue theme is set H1s to blue using that cascading style sheet. Now, to add the button, the easiest way to format it is to go ahead and create just a sample page, drag a button onto it, and do the formatting using the Properties window. So in this case, we're going to open the Properties window and change the back color to blue and update the border color and the border style and the border width and change the fore color to white. Now I'm going to format this just so I can see it a little bit better in the window. Copy that into the skin. Oops, there it is. Now remove the ID, since every button is going to need a unique ID, and also remove the text unless you want all of your buttons to have the same text. In this case, the text would be button. You need to update the web.config to apply your theme to all the pages in your web application. So add a pages element to the system.web element and set that theme to blue theme. Finally, create a new page We're going to go ahead and leave the default name. Drag the button over. Update the title to blue theme. And also add an H1 tag at the top that just says blue theme. Now look at the page in Design View. And you'll see, wait a minute, nothing is blue. Go back to Source. Now go ahead and hit F5 to view the page in the browser, and you'll see that your blue theme has indeed been applied at runtime. There it is.